You all are fine. Let us start our today's session. In today's session, we are going to learn solution of linear equation. My dear students, you have learned in your previous classes how to find solution of linear equation using one variable or having one variable. We have discussed in our previous session also how to find solution of linear equation and how to represent that solution on number line. Okay, so all of you know that linear equation having one variable has unique solution. So what can you say about solution of linear equation having two variable? Here we get solution of linear equation in a form of pair. Pair means we get two values, one for x and one for y. Since there are two variables are used in the equation, we get solution in the form of pair, one for x and one for y. So let us see how to find solution. Solution means what? If we substitute these values in the equation will be satisfied. Then these values are called as solution of the equation. So let us find out solution for the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. If I substitute x is equal to 3, let us see. If I substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 in this equation, put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Let us check here. We get LHS. LHS is what? 2x plus 3y. That is value of x is 3. 2 into 3 plus 3 into value of y is 2. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, which is equal to RHS. Right? So we get LHS is equal to RHS. When I substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 in this equation, we get LHS is equal to RHS. Means what? 3 2. A pair 3 2 is solution of the given equation. 3 2 is a solution of the given equation. Also we can find one more example. Look at here. Here the first one. Second. Suppose I put here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. Let us check. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4 in the same equation. So let us here 2x plus 3y. We get value of x is 0 here. 2 into 0 plus 3 into value of y is 4. That is 12. So same RHS. That means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. That is 0 4 is also solution. Okay. Now if I substitute, put x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. If I substitute x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0 in the same equation, what will we get? 2 into value of x is 6 plus 3 into value of y is 0. So 2 6 are 12. That is equal to RHS. Right? That is equal to RHS. That means here we get value of x is 6 and y is 0. Okay? In coordinate geometry. First one is x coordinate, second one is y coordinate. We have learned this, right? So 6 0 is also solution for this given equation. Now if I substitute, put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. In the same equation, look at here. 2 into value of x is 1 plus 3 into value of y is 4. Now value of y is 4 or I can write here 1 4. 2 into 1 is 2 and 4 3s are 12. No, so 1 4 values are not correct. So if I put x is equal to 1, I get 2 and after that 3 into 4, that means 2. 4 3s are 12. So that is 14. So 14 which is not equal to RHS. X is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 14 which is not equal to RHS. That means 1 4 is not solution. Right? 1 4 is not solution since the values x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4 are not satisfied this equation. So here we get 3 2 0 4 and 6 0 are the solutions of this equation. our solution. When I substitute any value for x, we get corresponding value of y. When I substitute x is equal to 1, we get value of y. When I substitute x is equal to 2, we get value of y. Okay. So this shows that solution of linear equations. There are infinitely many solutions for linear equations having two variables. Right? Linear equation having one variable has unique solution, and linear equations having two variables has infinitely many solutions. Since we can substitute any values for x, we can find value of y. If I substitute x is equal to 0, we get value of y. If I substitute x is equal to 1, I get new value for y. Okay, so in this way we can find infinitely many solutions for this linear equation. Right? Do you understood this? Yes. Now look at the second example. Here, find 4 different solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now, here there is the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6, and we have to find 4 different solutions for this equation. So, let us check. Now, what are the solutions? Solution is what? If I substitute any value for x and y, we get the same answer in the RHS. That means LHS is equal to RHS. So, for this, if I substitute here, first one is if I substitute put x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. Let us check if this solution or not. X plus 2y. Value of x is 0 plus 2 into value of y is 3. That is 6, which is equal to RHS, right? That means 0, 3 is solution. We have to find 4 solutions. So 0, 3 is first solution. Okay, first one. Then next one, substitute. If I substitute y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 6, and y is equal to 0 in the same equation. Look at here. X plus 2y. Value of x is 6 plus 2 into value of y is 0. That is 6, which is RHS. So again we get 6, 0 is one more solution. That means second solution for this equation. Suppose third one. For third one, if I substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Let us check. X plus 2y. X plus 2y. Value of x is 1 plus 2 into, sorry, x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 and also y is equal to 2. So value of x is 2 plus 2 into y. That is 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, which is RHS. So in 2, 2 is one more solution. We have to find all the values of x and y such that equation satisfies LHS is equal to RHS. Now, so 2, 2 is a solution. We have to find 4 solutions. Here we find first, second and third. So now tell me which one is the last solution for this. If I substitute here x is equal to 3, then what will happen? X is equal to 3, then we get y is equal to 1. Suppose I substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Let us check here. X plus 2y. X is equal to 3. If I substitute x is equal to 3 and 3, y is equal to 1, that means 3 plus 2 is 5. So 3, 1 is not solution. If I substitute x is equal to 4, yes. Okay, if I substitute x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1, then let us check. X is equal to 4. Value of x is 4 plus 2 into value of y is 1. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Okay. So that means here we get 4, 1. 4, 1 is solution. So here 0, 3, 6, 0, 2, 2 and 4, 1. Here we find 4 solutions which satisfy the equation. So do you understood how to find solution? We have to find only the values of x and y which satisfies the equation. That means substituting these values in the equation, we get LHS is equal to RHS. So it's quite simple. Okay, do you understood this? Yes. So shall I move forward to the next example? Right. Next example is find two solutions for each of the following. Now we have to find only two solutions. So it is easy way to find solution of the equation. Yes, listen carefully. This is very important. Easy way for finding the solution of equation is just put x is equal to 0. Find the corresponding value of y. Put y is equal to 0 in the equation. Find corresponding values of x. So in this way we can easily find out two solutions of the equations. Okay. I repeat again. X is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 0 in the equation. Find the corresponding value of y. You get one solution. After that, put y is equal to 0 and find the corresponding value of x. You get the second equation or second solution, right? So in this way we can find two solutions of the equation for the following equation. Our first equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, this is very important. Okay, 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. We have to find two solutions for this equation. So for this, first I put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in this equation. Yes, we get, after put x is equal to 0, I get here 4 into 0 plus 3 into y, that is 3y is equal to 12. So 4 into 0 is 0, which implies 3y is equal to 12. That is, value of y is equal to 4. Right? That means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 0, 4 is solution for given equation. Is solution for given equation. How can we find this? Okay, look at here. Substitute x is equal to 0 in the equation. If I substitute x is equal to 0 in this equation, we get x is 4 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 10. That means y is equal to 4. So when I put x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 4. So 0, 4 is the pair which satisfies the equation 4x plus 3y. Look at here, 4 into x, 0. That is 4 into 0, 0 plus 3 into value of y is 4. 3 into 4, 12. LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the easy way to find solution of the equation by substituting x is equal to 0. Now we have to find two solutions. For that, put y is equal to 0. Again, I substitute y is equal to 0 in the same equation. We get here 4x plus 3 into value of y is 0 is equal to 12. So now 3 into 0 is 0. That means here we get 4x is equal to 12. So that is x is equal to 3. 4x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 3. So here we get x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. First write x coordinate. 3 and 0. So 3 and 0 is solution for given equation. Right? So here we find two solutions, 0, 4 and 3, 0. There are two solutions for this equation. So it is easiest way to find solution of linear equation having two variables. Okay, let us see one more example. 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Now we have to find solution for this equation. So our method is what? First we have to substitute x is equal to 0 in the equation. Obtain the value of y. After that, put y is equal to 0 in the equation. Find the value of x. Okay. So first I put x is equal to 0. If I substitute x is equal to 0 in the equation, let us check here. 2 into 0 plus 5y is equal to 0. Right? 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. That means if 2 into 0 is 0, 5 into y, this will give you 5y is equal to 0. So we get value of y is equal to also 0. That means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 is solution of given equation. Now if I substitute y is equal to 0, again we get x is equal to 0. That means 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. If for this equation 0, 0 is only one solution for this equation. Okay, let us check here. Okay, so 0, 0 is only one solution for this equation, since we get here 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Okay, so whenever you have to find solution of the linear equation, just put x is equal to 0, obtain the value of y. After that, put y is equal to 0, find the value of x. You get two solutions for every linear equation having two variables. Okay, now we are going to solve some examples of exercise 4.2. I am going to solve some of the examples and remaining you have to solve independently. Okay, so our first example is y is equal to 3x plus 5 has, it's a multiple choice question. So first read the MCQs. First one, a unique solution. Second one, only two solutions. And third one, infinitely many solutions. Now y is equal to 3x plus 5. It is a linear equation in two variable, and we have learned that every linear equations having two variable has infinitely many solutions, right? So if it is linear equation in two variable, this equation has infinitely many solutions. So correct option is what? Infinitely many solutions. Why infinitely many solutions? Since for every value of x, we get corresponding value of y and vice versa, right? If I substitute any value for x, we obtain value of y. If I put any value for the y, we get the value of x. So in this way, we can find infinite many solution for this linear equation. So every linear equations in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now second question is, write 4 solutions for each of the following. Okay, this is the same question that we have solved in previous. Write 4 solutions for each of the following. Okay, here I am going to solve only one example. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. So first one is our easiest way. For using easiest way, we can find two solutions. What is our easiest way? Just substituting x is equal to 0, then substituting y is equal to 0. We can find two solutions for this equation. So if I put here x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0 in this equation, we get y is equal to 9. Yes, after substituting x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 9. That means 0, 9 is one of the solution, right? Now if I put y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in the equation, then what is the value of x? X is equal to 9 upon pi, right? Look at it. Pi x plus value of y, pi x plus value of y is 0 is equal to 9. That means value of x is equal to what? 9 upon pi. X is equal to 9 upon pi. So we get the second equation, the value of x is 9 upon pi and 0. So using easiest way, we can find two solutions, 0, 9 and 9 upon pi 0. Two solutions. Okay, now we have to find out more two solutions for this equation. For this, substitute, if I substitute x is equal to 1 here, put x is equal to 1. Okay, we can put any value for x and obtain the value for y. So if I put x is equal to 1, let us obtain the value of y. Pi into value of x is 1 plus y is equal to 9. So we get y is equal to 9 minus 5. Yes, if I put x is equal to 1, I get value of y is 9 minus 5. That means 1 and 9 minus 5 is solution. 1 and 9 minus 5 is solution. Now if I substitute x is equal to 9 upon pi. Okay, look at here. Put x is equal to 9 upon pi. You can substitute any value. Okay, you can substitute as your choice, right? Pi into value of x is 9 upon pi, 9 upon pi plus y is equal to 9. So here pi and pi will cancel. Okay, so we get here 9 plus y is equal to 9. 9 plus y is equal to 9. So here 9 and 9 also cancel. We get y is equal to 0. That means okay. Whenever we substitute x is equal to 0, here x is y is equal to 0, we get the same value. So we change the value here. Like this. Now if I substitute x is equal to negative 1, x is equal to negative 1. In the same equation, pi into negative 1 plus y is equal to 9. So pi into negative 1, that is negative pi. So value of y is what? 9 plus pi. So one more solution is x is negative 1 and y is 9 plus pi. If I substitute x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, we get value of y is 9 minus 2 pi. If I put x is equal to 3, we get value of y is 9 minus 3 pi. So in this way we can find infinitely many solutions for this equation. But they have told us to find only 4 solutions for this equation. So here we find out 0, 9 first solution, this one is second, this one is third, and this one is fourth. Okay, so every linear equation of 2 variables having infinitely many solutions. Third example, check which of the following are solutions of the equation. Here we are given one equation, that is x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now we have to check whether the given solutions are solutions of these equations or not. So how can we find this? Just substituting values of x and y in the equation. If we get LHS is equal to RHS, then this pair is called as solution of the equation. Since solution means what? Solution satisfies the equation. So let us check these values are solutions of the equation. So first one, 0, 2. We have to check 0, 2 is solution of this equation or not. That means if I substitute, put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 in the equation. Let us check here, x is equal to 0. So that means we get here 0 minus value of y is 2, that is 2 is equal to, now 2 into 2, negative 4. If I substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4, we get 0 minus 2 into 2, that is negative 4. But RHS is equal to 4, that means this value is not equal with RHS. Whenever I substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, we get LHS is not equal to RHS. That means 0, 2 is not solution for this equation. Not solution of given equation. Understood how to find or how to check solution? Yes. Now if I substitute third one, let us check third one. 4, 0. 4, 0. Now let us check 4, 0 is the solution of this equation or not. Just substitute. Put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 in the above equation. 4, our equation is what? X minus 2y. Let us check if LHS is equal to RHS or not. Substitute x is equal to 4 minus 2 into value of y is 0. Now 2 zeros are 0, that means we get answer is 4. But 4 and RHS is also 4. That means by substituting x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0, we get LHS is equal to RHS. So what we can say? We can say 4, 0 is solution of given equation. 4, 0 is solution of given equation. Okay, so now we have to try for the remaining options if they are solutions of the linear equations or not. Okay, you can solve this easily. Okay, now last one is find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is solution of the equation. Now x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 satisfies the given equation. So just substituting value of x and y in the equation, we get the value of k. It's very simple. So for this, put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in the given equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So value of 2 into x is 2 plus 3 into value of y is 1 is equal to k. So here we get 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to k. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So we get value of k is equal to 7. Okay. So in this way we have completed here exercise 4.2. I hope you understood all these examples. So you have to remember linear equation in one variable having only one solution, that means has only unique solution, and linear equation having two variable has infinitely many solutions. Okay. So you have to write all these examples in your notebook and send me on homework group. Okay students, have a nice day.